everyone! Merry Christmas Eve! I thought in today's video I would keep it low-key and show you all how to make this delicious pink hot cocoa. Perfect for a cozy night in. You will need white chocolate chips, caramel sauce, milk, red food coloring, and whipped cream and sprinkles to top it off, or marshmallows if that's what you prefer. First, you are going to want to set your stove on a medium-high heat. Let that warm up, and once I put on my festive baking apron, I am going to pour in 4 cups of milk. Once the milk starts to simmer, turn the stove down to a medium heat. Next, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of white chocolate chips. Continue stirring, that way the chocolate doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Now add in 1 of these little cups of caramel sauce to the mixture and continue stirring. Take your red food coloring and add 4 drops to the mixture. This is going to turn your hot cocoa my favorite color, which is pink. Lastly, pour your pink hot cocoa in a pretty mug and top it off with whipped cream and sprinkles. Can you tell I like whipped cream? I always fill half of my mug with whipped cream whenever I drink hot beverages. And there you have it, delicious homemade pink hot cocoa. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed watching me make pink hot cocoa. For more trendy festive videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.